Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add intro video in your YouTube channel. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be click on your profile icon and you will find out this profile icon in the right corner in the top bottom. So here you need to be click here, and now you have the option of YouTube Studio, or you can visit by view your channel. So let's click over here in the first option, view your channel. I click over here,
most companies do this really bizarre
place. So here you can click customize channel option. Just click over here again and it will take you to the next page where you have option to change banner image, picture, name, handle and other stuff. So now I am going to click home tab. Once I click over here you can see we have various options like for you, videos, short videos. So here you need to be click on add section. Once you click over here you can see that the channel tailor option, we already enable it, that's why it is not accessible right now. We can see that this is our channel tailor section. So here you need to be find out this option, three dot button. Just click over here, you can remove this tailor or you can change this video. Just click over here. So right now we have only one video in our channel, that's why we can choose this 5-tone secret only successful people video. So just click over here. Once you click over here you will enable the publish button. Just click the publish button. Once you click the publish button, your channel has been published and your trailer will be set on your channel. So let's go and check out again. So now we are going to refresh and you can see
most companies
our channel trailer. So this way we can add our channel tailor to our YouTube channel. So this is the simplest and quickest tutorial for you. I hope you find out this is helpful for you.